Hey guys, Zari here. Good morning to you. It is Wednesday. Happy Hump Day, Jan 15th. This is the daily frame. It's 9:27 a.m., 3 minutes to go. NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. We had CPI this morning, guys, and the market loved what they saw. I don't actually know what the number is because I don't actually care. I'm only watching candles. That's all I really care about is what the market thinks of whatever that number is. And as you can see, we have a bullish day here going on for now. And I say that for a reason because very often the CPI, PPI, and even NFP numbers and reactions tend to get partially, if not completely, erased, sometimes the same day. I'm not predicting that for today. I don't know. We're going to watch and see. But for now, guys, we have an up day here, taking out 2 days so far on the NASDAQ. We have an up day on the S&P, taking out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days here of prior action. And we have a bullish up day here, of course, on the Dow, taking out 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days of price action on the Dow. So very bullish reaction coming in. This, of course, is the Two Sisters 1 minute chart, guys. That's what I call CPI artwork or chart work. You can see this massive expansion here at 8:30 a.m. New York time. And now, of course, we're just kind of meandering and settling in here right before the open. We have 1 minute and 10 seconds to go for the open here. This is my trading grid, guys. There's the daily 30-minute and the 1 minute chart on the right-hand side for the NASDAQ. There's that update with the bullish body. And of course, this is the 30-minute chart. Very important to take a look at the 30-minute chart, in my humble opinion. And you can see here, these are days, 24 hours, right? New York, UK, and Asia, New York, UK, Asia, and so on. And you can see how we've taken out 1 and 2 days of action here on the NASDAQ, more on the S&P, and even more on the Dow. There's that big 30-minute candle right there, guys, right into a key resistance area from Friday of last week and Thursday. You can see that Thursday was a partial day, guys. There was a holiday in New York, and so you don't see intraday action there. All right, so now we're coming in, guys. We are now open right here. My trading view is a little slow today. It's going to update. There we go. Having a couple of tech issues this morning, guys. I also ask you to forgive my voice, a little rough this morning, but I appreciate your patience with that. I'm not going to be doing anything here out of the gates, guys. Be watching to see how this thing settles down a little bit, but I will zoom into this price action. We know where it is relative to the 2 standard deviations on VWAP. So now I want to see how we're interacting with this pre-market stuff and of course the bigger picture context over here. We have pushed up. We have broken now the prior 30-minute candle low. That's the pre-market. But this is a very bullish daily picture for now. Nothing for me to do here. I'll be cutting out dead air, sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments to keep this video nice and tight. And I'll let you know when I'm considering doing something here. If at all, this could be a no trade day after what we've seen here this morning. And just to be clear, guys, I definitely won't be going long here into this zone and into these other prior day highs here, these 2 right here. And so I'll be watching for some stuff to develop. This could be many minutes before I even consider taking a trade. So by many measures, of course, guys, this will be a very extended move, relative candle size, in downtrend here on the daily. You can see my charts are taking a, oh, there we go, just updated. You see it wasn't refreshing. Pushing back up again here, guys. Again, I won't be taking a long. Can't see myself taking a short here unless we get some good structure. Went downstairs to make some coffee, came back, and nothing's really changed here. All right, guys, now that we've got a little bit of structure in through here, we've had a break to the upside, we've had a break to the downside, we've had another break to the upside. Since I won't be going long here, certainly not into this zone or into these prior daily highs, I may consider a short if we break back down below here, but that remains to be seen, and that would require a weakening of this market. I'm not sure that's going to happen. So I'll put you on pause, guys. I'll bring you back. If this thing rallies, I won't be taking it, guys. But so I'll put you on pause. I'll bring you back if we get down in here, and we'll talk about a potential short. All right, guys, despite my reticence to take a long here into this extended market, this is a very clean trend continuation setup right here, guys. Buy stop order right now, looking for a quick 1 hour. When it's that clean, that orderly, and the daily is that bullish, it's worth the coin toss. Really counting on the daily energy and torque here to drive this thing higher. Almost in. And I'm in, guys. I am in. I had to look away for a second there, and I am in. Having a couple of technology issues here, but we'll be okay. So along the NASDAQ here, guys, for a quick scalp. Razor's Edge style, of course, looking for just under 40 points here on this continuation move. Again, extended here, guys. Very extended, but this is one of these things where you're in the market open volume on a very bullish day. The energy and the torque here can certainly power things higher, even though we're pretty extended here. And I was really reticent, and still am, to take longs. But when you get a clean, orderly setup like this, very strong impulse here, orderly pullback to the 21. Nice shift candle here on the bullish side, and then taking the break above the shift candle is key. Really exercise some patience here this morning, just waiting to see the bulls and the bears in their tug of war, rethinking all of this. Something similar happened yesterday, of course, after the PPI numbers. Not quite as big as this, though. My prevailing trade idea here was actually to consider a short below this low here, way down here. But it looks like this buying wants to continue, and that's okay with me. We are now moving right into this area here. That's an area of concern for me. But we can nail that target right there before that really comes fully into play in effect. And there it is, guys. Thanks for being with me. Appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon. We'll talk soon.